So how can I want to make a thumbnail that is going to be attractive to the viewers. Okay, so the best color for the title should either be white or yellow. If you don't have yellow, then utilize white, or if at all you have got dark green, that is okay, you can use that one. But in most cases, red, for as long as the background is black, red and blue doesn't come out perfect. But I recommend white and yellow. In most cases, if you don't have yellow, because the new open board, I think it doesn't have yellow, so utilize white. Okay, so in this case, me, I have yellow, so I'm going to use yellow. So I want to make the thumbnail for algebraic fraction, so then I have to write algebraic fraction. I think you know from here where how to start. So you write algebraic fraction. So the first letter should always be capital letter, then the rest leave them to be small letters. So A in algebraic, A is going to be capital letter. So I've put A, then the rest is going to be small letters. So algebraic, like this. Then F again, since it's fraction, I'll say fraction. I'll put it like that. So if I want, I can resize it if I want it to be big, but I should also know the thing that I'm going to write down here. That is also very important. So when I write algebraic fraction, then I underline it. So if I'm using, I want you to understand there, if I'm using yellow, so I want to underline, I can use white. I can't use yellow again. The combination of colors is very important. So say guys, if you're using white, then you can underline using red. That's okay. If you are using dark blue, oh sorry, dark green, you can underline using white. That's all right. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to underline using this. So now I have got the now it you look at the space that you have. I have got 4 questions, but now these questions, looking at the space that I have, is it enough for me to write these 4 questions? I think so, but make sure to say there is space. There is space all over here. Okay, so I'm going to give you a tip now. Let's say I write this. So when you're writing these things now here, the combination of colors should be more of white. So 70% should be white, then 15% should be red. Okay, then another 15% can be any other color. It can be either yellow, blue, or the same green. Okay, but at least white should be more of it. That's what we should know. So white should be, at least a lot of it should be white when you're making a thumbnail. That's the best thumbnail. So there we go. Now I have what the question that I'm going to write here is so I want you to look at this. If I write it like this, I write it very now the title is big, then I start now writing these ones very small ones. Do you think this is going to be okay? It's not going to look nice. And I have left this space for what? Okay, so make sure that the thumbnail should at least cover 1/3 of the page that you have. So in this case, I'll start from here. Say x plus, I've got x plus 2. Okay, so now if I want, I can use this one. Now I can use then 3, then minus. So if I want minus, I can also use a different color, but that's okay. If I want, I can use a different color like that. Okay, I can use different color. Then I come here, I'm not going to change, so it's going to be the same. 2x minus 3, then again I'll use red. So as you can see here, I've used more from just this question. You can clearly see that I have used now this one should also be in white. I have used more of white. That's the first question. The next question, I'll put to this side. Now I need to leave a space such that the question should at least cover a lot of space this side. So we have x minus 1, then the division should be of red, then x squared minus 3x plus 2. So this is it. Now I can clearly see that I have still space down here, so I can still use this space now to put another question. So again, I'll say 2. Now here I've got 2a. So that a, I'm going to use a different color. So I'll say 2. Then that a, so it should be straight with this 2. That a should be in yellow. Okay. Then remember this should be in red. I'm not going to change. Then this still in white. X minus 1. Then this one should still be in. Then we also have a. Then red. Then go back to white because it's x minus 2. Another one, it's the same thing here. Now I'm dealing with just numbers, so I'll say 5. Then I put red. Then everything here 2x minus 1. Then minus should be in the same guy like that. So this 7, then red. So then I finish now this. So look at this. Now you need to look at the lining. You can clearly see that this side I've got enough space in between, a lot of space, so I can shift this a bit. That's what we do. I'm going to shift this a bit so that it should go this side. Now look at how it is. How is it looking? So if you see if you see it is just near the title, you can also shift a bit, but in this case it's just okay. It's just okay there. Okay, so now look at it the way it is. How is it looking? Just so this is looking nice. So if you want, you can number there. You can say this is question 1 if you want. I'm saying if you want, but just leave it like that. If you want, you can put 1, you can put 2 in a different color, but just leaving it like this is still perfect. Then from here you take a screenshot. Now taking a screenshot, you need to also, it's more like you're taking a photo. You need to see that this is going to be okay. You have seen, right? Like that. So that's basically how you can make this best thumbnail. Okay,